she's in the open. She's here to the right. Fuck, man. There's two of them. Can see her on my camera. Meh. Okay, don't worry about it, don't worry, we're coming closer. Just keep it on, we're coming closer. Ahmed, do not move, Ahmed. There she is. You can take her now. Meh. Take her.
Well, we shot a doe, there's blood trail, and there's a dead doe.
Where?
Well,
Show me. Show me.
Oh, dead doe.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, hold on.
2012.
Come on. Give me some. That's a great shot, dude.
Really?
That's a great shot. That's an exit wound. Let me see you, buddy. Let me see you guys. Come on.
Oh, man.
That is nice.
It's okay, it's dead, you know? It's okay.
Who's man?
Oh,
You guys are. Huh?
Good job. That is an epic shot.
Alright guys, so here we are. And here my sons Ahmed and Alan. We're along. Sayonara. So we're along here with Alan's hunt. This is his second hunt. This doe came up, two of them came up, I don't know, 70, 80 yards. And Alan actually made picture perfect shot. Right behind the front shoulder. Just like we thought, right dude?
Yes.
Alright guys, so here's Alan. I'm gonna put his tag on. Alan and Muich, right?
Yes.
Kneel down. Okay. This is a deer youth season. And we're gonna tag this bad boy or bad girl. Okay. You wanna help me? I'll hold the leg and you put it around her. Right here.
So,
Hold it right here.
so just like.
Okay. And then stick them together. Uh-huh. Very nice, very nice. We got her, man.
Alright.
Got her. You can quit recording. Here comes the fearless hunters. Make sure you see us.
Oh, I see you enough. Should I stop?